By default, PhraseExpress works in every application, so you can expand abbreviation into longer phrases. There may be occasions where you don't want PhraseExpress to work in all applications, but only in specific programs. This is very easy to configure. Right-click the tray icon in the lower right and uncheck Detect Typing in WordPad. You can now further configure the program restriction. The last used application is pre-filled, which is WordPad in this case, and with the plus symbol you can add additional program restrictions. So let's exclude it, also from Notepad. Here you find the list of all running applications. If you don't find the desired application, you would need to run it first and then try again. Let's select WordPad. And you can even be more specific, so you can restrict PhraseExpress only for specific window titles. You can either select the titles which PhraseExpress can find, which is alpha in this case, because it has focus at the moment. But you can also manually enter the desired window title. Okay, so we now excluded PhraseExpress from WordPad altogether and from Notepad, but only if the window title contains beta. Let's confirm this with OK. And again, we get a confirmation. And now PhraseExpress ignores the abbreviation in WordPad. But in Notepad, it does work because the window title is alpha. Let's try this with beta. And you see it's being ignored. If PhraseExpress is excluded from a program, it shows a warning symbol in the system tray. Right-click, and here you can see that Enable PhraseExpress in Notepad is not checked. To configure the program restriction, click here. The last used program, which has been ignored by PhraseExpress, is highlighted here. You can now configure the program restrictions or delete them with a minus symbol. By pressing OK, you confirm the removal, but there's also another option. So right-click the PhraseExpress tray icon and open the program settings. Then go to Export Options, and here you can also specify the application restrictions, just like we have done before. By the way, this setting affects the entire PhraseExpress program, but you can also restrict individual phrases from specific applications. This is demonstrated in a separate video.